Add tracks on the beat.
Meet up in New York City. I am Abby Harris, your host today.
What up, what up? Welcome to Beyond the Blockchain. I am your host, Abby Harris. Good morning. Welcome to Beyond the Blockchain podcast. I am your host, Abby Harris. I do this each and every day. We talk about things that are happening in the blockchain and beyond. Shameless plug. My group, my Telegram group, web network is a Telegram community where I provide all types of information and networking. So the main thing about this group is networking. So if you want to network and connect with somebody within the group, please do so. Reach out to me, hit me on a DM, hit me on the chat. I will teach you and show you how to get into our space so we can connect and you will be looped in with our Beyond the Blockchain web network community. Moving on, as we talk about this and we're in the bull market, excuse me, because you got to wear these Invisaligns all the time, and sometimes I forget that I have them in until I start talking and hearing the pronunciation of my words don't work out. So y'all already know we done hit some highs, and we about to hit some lows. It is all good. This is what we're looking at today. Remember, there's going to be some type of price correction. All of this stuff is happening before the halving. Look at my coin, the open network. The thing is, we're moving into the other side of the crypto hemisphere, which is Altseason. Altseason, meme coins, AI tokens, AI coins, all of it is getting ready to start happening. It's so funny because it looks like a lot of blood in the water today, but this is just the fluctuation of prices bouncing in between those two places. You know, yesterday we was talking about how there can be some type of correction between 15 and 20%. So you kind of got to be prepared for it. But if you're dollar cost averaging in, then you don't have nothing to be prepared for. You just dollar cost averaging in and just riding the wave as it rides. And I hope you have been having the time to take your profits along the way, because these are the things that we have to talk about. Make sure you take your profits, because the last thing you would like to do is ride the wave all the way up to 69, 70,000 and you have not taken no profits, and then guess what? It dropped down to 40 or 50 and you will be sick. So instead of you getting caught up in the mix like I did in the past bull runs, you just make sure you do your thing and you create some type of strategies that you can actually hold on to make sure that you are profiting. We are low below $9 where we was at a couple of days ago actually. There is a flux of all types of stuff going on. But yeah, this is the thing. You know something? The funny thing is today, usually I go check out my buddies over there, right? Usually I check out my buddies over there. What my buddy Crypto Ash is talking about. Excuse me, I said Crypto Ash. Ash Crypto is talking about today. 18 hours ago, we have just hit one. No, we don't care about your 1 million followers. Some sent you, we don't care about that. Would you sell here at 66,000 or hold for 100K to 150? Now, that is the question. Are you here to hold, or are you here for the long term? Are you shorting or are you longing? Pause. You got to make sure you say pause in some of these things. Moving on from my crypto guy, we're gonna go check out my other favorite crypto guy, which is Crypto Rover, where he talks about Altseason. And yes, we are in or coming up upon
You
alt
may
season
have
very
missed
fast.
the Bitcoin pump, but altcoin season is about to come here. Because on today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the signals that are right now flashing in the market that are indicating that an altcoin season is about to come, and that this is most certainly going to be the biggest altcoin season we have ever seen in history. I will also give you
Not only the biggest that we ever seen in history, but this opportunity may never present itself again, because the last few opportunities we didn't have these financial institutions involved in what we got going on. The financial institutions are involved right now. So this is time to accumulate your Acorns. I say it all the time. Accumulate your Acorns and start figuring out what coins or what you want to look into. But the beautiful thing about today, right, is that I will be talking about all of this stuff. Here's a question. Is Bitcoin having the right time to invest in BTC? While Bitcoin halving rallies a historical profit for investors, analysts expect the biggest gains to come after the halving, with some eyeing 130 to 180,000 by 2025. I've been having conversations with you guys about fearing of missing out. This is where this comes in at, right? Because you see these numbers, if you was in the mix in June and you was dollar cost averaging and buying in, then when you here right now in this space, you wouldn't be so stressed, right? Because you was a part of the game. But those who sat on the sideline and waited for this thing and say, oh, it's not going to, and now you still have the opportunity. That's what I want to tell you guys. There's still opportunity after the halving. Organize your strategies, organize your acorns, get into the mix. This is not financial advice. I just try to tell people this all the time. I just like, be on the Blockchain Podcast. I enjoy what I do. This is something I have fun at, talking about crypto, talking about Web3, talking about projects, talking about solving problems. But the new problem to solve is your strategic plan to create a financial opportunity for yourself within the space. Now, I have a new guy that I want to check out. And this guy is Brian Jung. He talks about altcoins and halving and so on and so forth. But let's talk about it.
And it trickles down into the rest of the different altcoins. The reason why this is a thing is because most new people who get into crypto get into Bitcoin first. Then they're like, oh, I made some money with Bitcoin. Let me try Ethereum. Oh, I tried Ethereum. It was very good. Let me try some other altcoins. And we start seeing that money flow down. The good news here, guys, remember all that old wrinkly money we talked about, the retirement funds? Yeah. If they see positive ROI on Bitcoin, it's those same people that could be like, hey, let me just cash out a little bit of my retirement fund to check out some of these different altcoins that could maybe do a 10 to 20x. So pair up the altcoin season indicator.
That is the thing. It is our time. It is our time. It is our time. If you haven't had a chance to pull out the altcoin indicator, you just Google it. Look it up real quick. It is free. You just log on, and once again, this is something that I am definitely going to talk about and go through today. I got something on my screen. What is that? Is that on my camera? That's on my screen. Oh, that's my mouse. Okay, come on, guys.
There with the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Anytime we see extreme greed in the market, consider taking profits off the table. It's as easy as that. Another resource that I really like is the Bitcoin Rainbow Chart. And literally this here will tell you where we are with the price of Bitcoin and what you should do. If Bitcoin currently today was at over $200,000, you would be in maximum bubble territory, meaning you should sell. Right now, Bitcoin is still within the range of still cheap and accumulate. And this here is simply just based off of Bitcoin and previous cycles. So think of this as technical analysis for children. Anyways, right now, this is indicating that we are still rather early.
Look, not for children, for grown adults, because some of these charts and these lines and these lights and all these lines, sometimes it's very, very confusing.
And that there is big potential for where this market could end up. Last but not least, Arkham Intelligence. This is great if you want to go ahead and find different wallet addresses that have found success in the past. Arkham allows you to just really get in touch with on-chain analysis, and you could do things as simple as, let's see what someone like Vitalik Buterin, the developer of Ethereum, is trading. If Vitalik starts making some really wonky moves into random altcoins, if we're able to go down, first of all, you can see actually their entire portfolio that is public here. You can see where it's getting held on different exchanges, and we could see what different cryptos he would trade on this wallet. Now, if he made any swaps and it was some like random meme coin, that could be a sign to get in early. Now, you could use this for other influencers, YouTubers. You could do it for Twitter accounts that you think are really hitting the nail and are finding projects early. The beauty about crypto is that everything is on chain, meaning it's public information. And if you can do just a little bit of digging, you can find out and back up your investment thesis before making your trade. Last but not least, my favorite research method is just going on Twitter. You can have Twitter's algorithm curate it strictly so that it's showing you these underrated crypto gems.
See, now, once again, all these tools are here to provide for you, right? So, are you ready for Altseason? Did you identify those that you want to do your research on? Well, look no further, because that is something that we will be talking about today. The most anticipated alt season about to ignite. What can we expect from the market? Crypto holds a dominance of over 50% at the time of this publishing. And this was October, guys. Damn, man. You know what's so crazy? The craziest thing of it all is, you always say, damn, if I would have known then, if I would have known then, if I would have known then. If you was tuning in my channel, you would have known. So, here's the top 50 performances over the last 90 days. Here's the top coins, the 50 coins of the last 90 days. So, let's see. Of course, Pepe is number one with a returns of 393 cents. What's this one? This is Pepe. This is ARK, right? FET. Y'all know I've been talking about FET for a minute. Shiba, Bonk, 205. Shout out to Player One Taco on that one. STX, Theta, 175. Uni, you know that's Uniswap. Beam, 149%. Tau, INJ, 107%, guys. 107%. NJFTM, Render, 98%. Listen, I feel like some of these coins have a lot of upside, guys. BSV, Filecoin. Where I just seen Filecoin. Where did I see Filecoin? Where? Boom, 85% over the last 90 days. Oh, man. My guy. Shout out to my man Andre Hampton. These are currently trending when certain things. FET. Look, FET. I am FET. Pro FET. You can actually tell, right? Look, the Magna coin. Oh, shucky ducky. Trump, they go dog. Oh, okay. So look, guys. I said, what was that? That was dog, right? So we see this stuff all the time. We see it all the time. It comes through, right? But we need to make some sense of it. How could I get involved? What did I need to get involved in? Ab, can you do the research for me? No, I can't do the research for you, but I can actually pull up and just show you things that I've been talking about. Let's do this. Let's start out with what is WIF. Literally, it's just a WIF, a dog with a hat. A dog with a hat. I'm so not tuned into Ebonics sometimes. I just realized there's a whiff, like whiff. I'm thinking whiff is short for something. No, it's a dog with a hat. Bro, I mean, it's really literally a dog with a hat. No hat, hat. No hat, hat. Whiff. Once again, this is one of those memes, okay? If you're interested in memes and figuring out memes, you go to the website and be for real. I'm so serious. It's a dog with a hat. It has a community. That's what I'm talking about. If somebody can come up with a dog with a hat, then you can come up with your own tokens, right? You can also come up with your own tokens. Shout out to my Wall Street crew over there. Look, whiff. They took a dog and put a hat on it. Look, this is what I be talking about. See, for me, by whiff. For me personally, this doesn't have any real world impact. Game coins, meme coins, this is not my specialty. It's not nothing I like to chase or anything of the sort at all. It's just something that presents an opportunity. And if it presents an opportunity for you, then all means to go about it. Moving on. Here's another one, Mog coin. Mog. Right? These are all game coins, meme coins, as seen on TV, meme coins. You know, what is meme coin? Cancel, because we're not going to. I didn't mean to do that. Let's see. I want to know, what is Mog coin? What is Mog? Internet first cultural coin, but it's more than just a coin. It's a tokenized winning. Mog is effort. Mog is effortless cosmic domination of unadulterated success distilled into a computer photons wrapped in an ERC20 token, and it's placed directly on Ethereum blockchain. Mog's movement is a way of life. Since day one, Mog has built this community organizer from the ground up with one of those goals in mind: culture, defined force in the crypto ecosystem. This sounds like United Colors of Crypto. I just didn't get it all together as of yet. I'm still in the midst of building, right? But this sounds like United Colors of Crypto. Hey guys, I'm going to tell you, if there's something that you're interested in, by means, do all you can do. They have a Twitter, they have a Telegram, they have a TikTok. Why do they have a TikTok? I am curious. Why do they have a TikTok? Following 0 people, 14,000 likes. Refresh. Okay, because once again, it's a damn meme. And it's the glasses. Look, it's the glasses. Look, it's the glasses. They go to glasses. It's the glasses. Okay, moving on. Once again, these things don't have real world impact for me, but that does not mean I don't bring them to you guys to check it out. This is another one, Myro. Welcome to Myro. Myro is a dog named after Solana co-founder Raj Gokhal's dog, Myro. Look at this. This is what happens when you're very smart and you're a developer and you can create whatever you want. And when you have a passion for your dog, like Crypto Pup, he has his own coin. This is crazy. This is crazy. Nah, I'm not gonna lie. It's crazy. This is crazy. You can create an economy out of everything. There's a lot of dog lovers in this world, right? You can create an economy over or about anything. And if this is, once again, if you fancy this, then hey, more to you. Moving on within the space. Filecoin, a decentralized storage network designed to store humanity's most important information. I've been talking about this upon weeks on show after show after show after show. Filecoin is Solana. Filecoin depend, decentralized physical infrastructure. Filecoin, what is it? It holds storage decentralized. This makes a lot of sense. It's not one place that's holding storage. If this one place go down, then guess what? All this storage, all the things you save is lost. But with decentralized storage network, nothing is lost. It's just basically on the blockchain. These are things that I'm just bringing up, just the things that just to be talking about. The reason why I'm talking about them, because they are making real life impact. This real life impact is something that I am definitely interested in, guys. You understand? Because for me, if it's not real world impact, then it's some game coin or some kiddie stuff that I don't have the patience to follow in, because I don't play games like I do. But even though when it was about games, I would always play Call of Duty, 2K Sports, basketball and football, Grand Theft Auto, and maybe a few others, Dead Rum or Dead Door, Red Door, or a few others, you know, just because the kids like those games and I get caught up in it. But moving on, Fetch AI, FET, whatever you want to call it, build, deploy, and monetize AI services. An AI open platform for new AI economy. Guys, Why would you not want to be a part of what is going on in this space? What is this video talking about? Of course, they're going to play music so I can get flagged. Oh, there's no words. AI agent booking demo. There's no words, there's only music. Well, you build, you deploy, fetch AI. Go check it out. You don't even have to check it out. If there's something you're interested in, go to CoinMarketCap, press your favorite button. Right? That's how that goes. Moving on. Like I said, today I will be just talking about different projects, things that you just take your notepad, you write it down and says, oh, he said Filecoin. Oh, he said dog whiff or whiff, dog with a hat. Oh, he said Arweave. Get funded. Arweave is a fully decentralized ecosystem. There are numerous dedicated organizations ranging from nonprofits to DAOs and venture studios that it backs development and help the eco grow. Many of these organizations have grants and investment opportunities available for those contributing to our web ecosystem. If you're a builder, think of building a project on Arweave. If you are a builder, you can get funded here. Not only that, you can find an investment here as well. Because once again, go to CoinMarketCap, figure out what it is, and do your one thing. Not one thing, your one two. Once again, this is not whatsoever financial advice. Moving on. Polkadot has been pumping. Polkadot has a great ecosystem. The block space eco for boundless innovations. See, now this is what I'm going to say. There's some people going to say, Ab, I know about this, but it's not for you. It's for the people who don't know. That's what this is. Pull up to my show you don't know, or if you want to just take your notes of some of the things that I talk about. But Polkadot, guys, take your notepads out. CoinMarketCap, figure it out. Figure out what exchanges, figure out everything. This is on you guys. It's called do your own research. But I am just presenting the thing that I found for you guys to look into. Moving on into Plantera. AI-powered operation for every decision. Guys, this is a sleeper. Keep telling you this is a sleeper. I talked about this early in the week. It's a sleeper. It's a sleeper. It's a sleeper. It's a sleeper. What does a sleeper mean? This is something that you are probably sleeping on, have no clue about, but you have to do your due diligence and your research. That is on you guys. I'm just showing you. I'm gonna make it big so you can see what I'm talking about. There you go. Look it up. Look it up. CoinMarketCap. Look it up. Look it up. Do your thing. Do your thug dizzle, guys. Thug dizzle. Good things come to those who search for information that can change the game for you. But I am going to do this. I'm just going to pull it up. I'm going to show y'all something. Boom. I'm going to show y'all something. Okay. Stock rises 178 million. Army contract win. Right? 178 million contract win. Rises, stock market rises. Plantera Technologies is the public American company that specializes in software platforms for big data analysts. They also mine Bitcoins there, but don't let me tell you that, look, stocks received a consensus rating of hold. The average rating score is based on 13 buy ratings, 26 hold ratings, and 19 sell ratings. Listen. There are certain things that you just do and don't think about, and this is one of them. Moving on. Floki, the people's cryptocurrency. Floki is a utility token for Floki ecosystem. Guys, once again, hold up. Because my homegirl said, oh, Ab, I know about Floki. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the website. The token standard tokenized process can be painfully slow and extremely expensive for average users. I think I clicked on something that is not what I was trying to explain. Let's go back to Floki. Let's hit explore. Okay, Floki ecosystem. Floki plays to earn NFT metaverse. How to play. Token Fi. Staking your Floki. Floki future decentralized. Information. What is Floki? Floki is an umbrella name for a suite of decentralized finance products that will be launching under the Floki brand. Real world impact. This is the things I talk about all the time. Floki is a locker. Floki Fi locker is the industry's most innovative protocol for securing digital assets. Secure lock, liquidity pools, token NFTs, fungible tokens, and multi-tokens in just a few clicks. Floki Locker is audited by Certic and backed by a strong Floki brand. Hey guys, you go once again. This is not financial advice. This is me just looking at things that I see that there are potentials to 10x. I'm just pulling the list and I'm actually going to the websites. I have yet to go to any coin market cap or anything. I'm just specifically going to these websites because that's what you need to see. And you guys know I talk about my two female friends all the time, C and Soy. Here is C. Decentralized data storage. Cryptocurrency has unleashed its latent power of internet by enabling interactions between distrusting parties. SIA harness the power of creating trustless cloud storage marketplace. Allow buyers and sellers to transact directly. No intermediaries. I don't like intermediaries. I do not like intermediaries. I do not. And look, they got it listed for a lot of things. So make sure you check this out. The roadmap. Like, guys, ecosystem. Remember I tell you guys that you have to pay attention to certain tools, making sure they have communities. Like he got a Discord, they got a Reddit, they got a Twitter, they got a GitHub. GitHub is where the code is, remember? GitHub is, they are people who like to show what they're building. They got grants, they got roadmaps. Do your due diligence. Figure out if it worked for you. Moving on. Artweave. What is it? Oh, we already went to that. Excuse me. Casper. That's another one. They have two. You see this right here? This is not it. Don't get caught thinking that this is the Casper. No, that is not it. It starts with a K. Actually, I showed you on our pricing scale today. Where is it? Well, let's do this. Nope. Ah, man, I must have closed the window. It's all good, but Casper is another one of them. I'm gonna find the Casper that we're talking about. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Let's do it like this. Casper. Boom, Casper. Here we go. Remember, guys, coin, market, cap. Here I come to save the day. Let's do this. Okay. There we go. KASPA. KASPA. Casper. Right? Once again, shout out to my boy, Goldie. He actually is the one who actually introduced me to Casper. Once again, Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, Discord, Telegram, GitHub, white papers, website. Beyond the block. Look, I feel good just because it says that. Like, that is a sign. Just because it said that. Beyond the block. Casper is the fastest open source decentralized and fully scalable layer 1, the world's first blockchain DAG, a digital ledger enabling parallel blocks and instant transactions confirmations built on a robust proof of work engine and rapid. Hey guys. Do your own research. Do your own research. Understand what this is about. Shout out once again. Shout out to my man Goldie. BU. My burn unit family member. Why? Because he was talking about this months ago. He's like, yo, Ab, you need to pay attention to what it's about, yo. They use it in the White House. They use it this, they use it that. Yeah, yep. Information is key. If you don't find the information to understand what you're looking for, then it is what it is. I hope you guys got a chance to understand what I've been talking about today. Here's my last thing. You know what? The funny thing is, wait a minute. I'm skipping too fast. Wait a minute. Hey, wait a minute. Wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. We talked about everything on my list today. We did not talk about Zcash. Remember, there's a company that's connecting with Zcash, which is Grayscale, and this is something that have potential. Do your own research. Remember, Grayscale is ETFs ahead of all the ETFs that's going on. They selling a bunch of stuff. They dumping a bunch of stuff. They buying a bunch of stuff, and they are just partnered with Zcash. Once again, not financial advice. Look into it. Figure out what works for you, what doesn't. Also, shout out to my man Big John from Brooklyn, because he always been talking about amps. Boom. New era of payments, Amper, be a part of the movement. Once again, like I said, today I decided, Hump Day Wednesday, I'm just going to talk about all of these things, right? Just back to back. But I didn't even really talk about news or what's happening in the space. It is alt season, guys. You need to be prepared prior to. You need to get into these places before the halving, after the halving, because once again, this opportunity may never present itself again, especially with all these institutions coming in here. Next year, it may not be the same. The room and everything is going to look very, very different. Now, here's another thing. Flexa is built on the AMPS network. Once again, shout out to Big John from Brooklyn. The global leader, pure digital payments, a better payment system. Listen. This is layers. This is on top of crypto. There's payments. There's proof of payments. Fraud proof payments. The Paragram for. Listen, guys. Once again, today is one of those days. Accumulate your coins. Figure out what's going to happen. If you feel like you missed out on Bitcoin, don't feel like you missed out, because alt season is coming. AI coins are coming. Meme coins are coming. Game coins are coming. Tokens is coming. Set up your structure the way you want to set it up. Set up your strategy the way you want to set it up. Find whatever exchanges that you want to use and make it happen. Once again, this is not financial advice. I'm happy and I appreciate you guys tuning into Beyond the Blockchain. I do this each and every day, guys. There's one more thing I would like to do before I break out. Oh, see, I'm slacking on my Mac in here. So let me go through this real quick, because I realize I have about 6 or 7 more coins or tokens that I need to talk about, and I'm just going to run through them. Boom. Singularity Net, pioneer the AI and AGI. Welcome to the next generation of decentralized AI, right? Singularity got the robots, just to let you know. They one of those companies that built robots years ago, and they still in the process of building robots. So I believe that this is one of those. Right, moving on to the next one. What is the next one? The next one is, like I said, I'm going to keep it very quick and tight for you guys. Pause. Bitten Sensor, guys. Bitten Sensor. Yeah, cool little website. You don't know what's going on. It's just all of this stuff. But this is another one of those, right, that they talk about that has the potential. Bitten Sensor vision for the decentralized AI company has captivated a large number of people in the area of artificial intelligence and computer sciences who have yearned for an alternative to the top-down world being created by our technology giants. However, the promise of what Bittensor, that's what I'm pronouncing it wrong, Bittensor is and can, look, has been masked by large technical barriers and understanding that, and thus has not well digested by non-technical audience. This shit sounds technical as I'm reading it, right? But even though it sounds raw technical, there's not a lot of, listen, look at this. It's all white. There's not a lot of colors. It's not a lot. This is like straight to the business. This is what it is, that straight to the business. It ain't none of this old colorful, glamorous stuff. Is none of it. Let's go to CoinMarketCap real quick, guys. Let's go to CoinMarketCap real quick, and let's put that in there, and let's see what is it doing. It is at $700, and it peaked. Oh, yeah, $700. Damn, $739. It peaked, bro. I'm curious. I want to know when it came out. It was at $55 April last year. Once again, there go those gems. I talk about them. Look, April. You feel missing out. And the bull run, the halving, and none of this stuff has came yet, right? Moving on, because like I said, I want to get through this. This is only a few more. Injective, the blockchain built for finance. You see it all the time, INJ. Build and use the best Web3 application on Inject, the fastest layer 1 block shaping the future of financing. There's a lot of future of financing with AI. This is very, very interesting, guys. Very interesting. Once again, we see it. We go through it on my list all the time. We scroll by it. Here's another one. Boom. Render. Distributed GPU renders on the blockchain. Listen, guys. Once again, I'm only showing you things that have some type of interest to me, that has some type of real world impact, that I feel that in the potential of the long run, these coins will be killing them. 5x, 10x, 20x. Once again, this is not financial advice. What's the next one, guys? Hold up. I'm almost there. I got like 2 more. Ton. The open network attracts Web3 firms as Telegram ad platform goes live. This is important. Ton is the open networks coin where you can do transactions in Telegram. If you be a part of my Telegram group, we are building something very unique and special. So just be patient. Just be patient. But I just definitely wanted to talk about Ton, the open network, to make sure you guys are paying attention to what's happening within our space and some of these finances. Cash, the world premiere decentralized compute marketplace. Listen, guys. Open network to users to buy and sell computer resources securely and efficiently. I'm making up words as I go. Once again, do your own research. Do your own research. Do your own research. And this is the last topic of today. The rise of job search bots. AI is good in one aspect and then it's bad in the other aspect. But this aspect is a good aspect because I don't know how many people have filled out resumes and you're doing them one by one, by one, by one. And then you jumping from Indeed to Monster to LinkedIn. You jump into all of these places, and this gentleman used a spammer to apply to 120 jobs. 120 jobs. Imagine. What's the stat rates for you when you're doing 120 jobs? Imagine the company. Usually it's the reverse. Usually the companies get a choice to pick whoever they choose that they want, right? Because they got all this inflow of a whole bunch of a whole bunch of applicants, right? But what if you can reverse it to make your life easy? One button, one click, 120 jobs, and then as they reply back to you, you decide yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. I'm excited about this. I'm interested. He has a whole article that he had done about the good, the bad, the ugly of what happened and within the space of him trying. He says, the first bot I tried was Sonora for $79. I signed up for the most expensive altitude plan, which would allow me to apply for 420 openings. After I spent about a half an hour uploading my resume and completing my profile, Solana showed me maybe a dozen job options. The green light a few of them, and the bot promised it would send them out. Each morning when I logged back on, I would send a trickle of new options to consider. Listen, but the one I approved continued to sit in the queue unsent. It was hardly the job applying fire hose I was looking for. It was hardly the job applying fire hose I was looking for. Pinned customer service a few times. Then after a week, statements popped up. Solana website, the service is shutting down. Great, I thought. There goes my $79. So he goes through a bunch of different tools, right? He tells you the price. He tells you what works, what didn't work. And yeah, why not? It's trial and error with most of this stuff. I hope you guys got a chance to enjoy what we got going on here. This is Beyond the Blockchain podcast. I know I'm a little over time today. There was a lot of stuff that I needed to go over. And make sure you tune in for the same bat channel, same bat time. Beyond the Blockchain podcast. Peace. It's your boy Ab. Later.
Tracks on the beat.
Up in New York City, I am Abby Harris, your host today.
What up? Welcome to Beyond the Blockchain. I am your host, Abby Harris.